Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to extend a partition using different options in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Extend Partition Windows 11 from Settings. To get started, click the Start menu and then click Settings. Then, in the System section, you are going to click on Storage. There you will click on Advanced Storage Settings. Then you will click on Disks and Volumes. In the different options that you will see, click on the Properties button of the disk that you are going to extend. Now click on Change Size. Set the desired size according to the expandability of the drive. Apply the changes and you will see the new size. In Disk Manager, you can see how the disk is structured. Chapter 2. Extend Partition Windows 11 from Disk Manager. To get started, open Disk Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu. Here, first of all, in order to extend, you have to reduce the size of the disk overall so that there is space available. If there is already free space available on another volume, you do not need to shrink it. To do this, right-click on the drive and select Shrink Volume. When the analysis is done, determine the amount of space to reduce. When applying the changes, you will see that available space. Now it is possible to extend the hard drive. For this, you are going to right-click on the disk and select the option Extend Volume. Now in the wizard, you will select the volume and define the amount of space to extend. You can apply the changes and you will see the result on the hard drive. Chapter 3. Extend Partition Windows 11 from CMD. To get started, open the Command Prompt console as an administrator by clicking Run as Administrator when searching from the Start menu. In the console, you will run the diskpart command to access the utility, then use the list command to list the system disks. Now you are going to select the disk using the Select Disk command. Generate the disk details with the Detail Disk command. Select the volume to extend with the Select Volume command. You can extend the disk using two commands. You can use the Extend command or that same command indicating the size to extend with the size parameter. You can now exit the diskpart utility with the Exit command. Close the console. Chapter 4. Extend Partition Windows 11 from PowerShell. To get started, open the PowerShell console as an administrator. With the Get Partition command, access the Windows partitions. Run the Get Partition Supported Size command with the drive letter parameter to see the amount of hard drive expansion available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now run the resize partition drive letter command with the size parameter indicating the amount to expand the hard drive. The disk will be expanded correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.